Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. So I choose this drawing. You can see the base size is 125 by 90 mm and height is 60 mm. So go to software, click new, select metric and standard mm, create. Select sketch, select any one plane, select center rectangle. So we can give dimension here directly, or we can after finishing the rectangle. So I will give directly dimension here. Select 125, enter tab and 90 mm, enter. So our base sketch is ready. 125 by 90, you can verify in this drawing. 125 by 90. Finish sketch, select extrude up to 60 mm. Okay, you can see here 30 plus 6, 30, 90 mm total. Again here two cutouts is there, stubs cutout. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension here to here 45. This is 20 mm. Verify the dimension 45. This is 20 mm. Finish sketch. Again select extrude. Here select cut option. You want 60 mm depth cutout. Okay. One more step cutout is there. Again select same surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 20 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, select cut up to 30 mm. Okay. Save the part, Ctrl S. Enter your what name you want. Save. So that's it friend, our basic 3D model part is ready. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel for to do the more videos and support me. So you can assign the material here also. Go to generic, select material, which material you want. I will select stainless steel. You can see the shape has changed, color also changed, and also we can give some finishes. So many finishes are there here. I will give steel, semi polished is there. You can see here stainless brushed stainless steel steel cast, steel polished, steel blue. So many types of finishes are there. After machining, this finishing will happen. So I will give this steel polished. Okay, that's it friend, today's session. Thank you for watching this video.